Hi, it's me, an Asian, and I'm at a Chinese event trying to make my money worth. The first dish have arrived. I am happy, but my money is not yet working. So I got some more food. Even the shell doesn't go to waste. Next, while waiting for the food, I listen to some peaceful music. Vegetables? Hi, where's the king crab? Where is the lobster? Look at these people. They're not making the money what? They're playing rock, paper, scissors. Finally, some roast succulent duck. I'm finally making my money worth. Yes, and crabs. Some crab fat and some sweet crab claw. What? We also got Chinese pork bun. Thank you for inviting me to this event. Invite me again next time. Hehe.